Hey everyone, welcome back to Yogi PC Tube. Do you want to install Windows 11 on your old or unsupported PC, but Microsoft says your hardware isn't compatible? No worries. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free, without losing any files, apps, or settings. Let's get started. Step 1. Check compatibility. Right now, I'm on Windows 10. First, let's check if this PC supports Windows 11. Open the PC Health Check app and click Check Now. If it shows errors like TPM not available, secure boot disabled, or unsupported CPU, don't worry. We'll bypass all of these easily in the next steps. Step 2. Download Windows 11 ISO. Next, open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO Download. Click the official Microsoft website. Scroll down and choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click Confirm. Now select the same language as your current Windows 10 installation. This is very important. To check your current language, open PowerShell as administrator. Type Get Win System Locale. Press Enter, and you'll see your system language. Once confirmed, select that same language on Microsoft's site and click 64-bit download. The file size is around 7.2 gigabytes, so make sure you have a good internet connection. Step 3. Download FlyOB bypass tool. While the ISO is downloading, open a new tab and search for FlyOB GitHub. Click the first link to the official GitHub page. Scroll down, click the latest release, and download FlyOB version 1.24. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and choose Extract All. Inside the folder, right-click flyob.exe and select Run as Administrator. If Windows shows a warning, click More Info arrow, Run Anyway. Step 4. Upgrade to Windows 11. When the FlyOB dashboard opens, click on Upgrade from the left sidebar. Now, load the Windows 11 ISO you just downloaded. FlyOB will automatically mount the ISO and launch the Windows setup window. You can now close FlyOB. It's done its job. If you see Windows Server on the setup screen, don't worry. It's just a bypass trick. You're still installing Windows 11. Choose Not Right Now and click Next. Accept the license agreement. Now, pay attention. Select Keep Personal Files and Apps. This ensures you won't lose any data. Click Install and sit back. The upgrade will take 30 to 40 minutes depending on your PC speed. Step 5. Windows 11 successfully installed. After your PC restarts, you'll boot directly into Windows 11, running perfectly on your unsupported hardware. All your files, apps, and settings will still be there. Nothing deleted. Important note. CPU requirement. One quick warning. This method only works if your CPU supports SSE 4.2. Almost all processors released after 2009 have it. But if you're using a very old Core 2 Duo or older AMD CPU, Windows 11 won't run, no matter what bypass tool you use. That's because TPM, Secure Boot, and CPU model checks are software restrictions. We can bypass them easily, but SSE 4.2 is a hardware feature inside the processor itself. If it's missing, Windows 11 just won't boot. In that case, it's best to stay on Windows 10 or try a lightweight Linux distro. Bonus tip. Roll back to Windows 10. If you try Windows 11 and don't like it or face issues, don't panic. You can easily go back to Windows 10 within 10 days. Just go to Settings, System, Recovery. Go back to Windows 10. Follow the on-screen steps and your PC will be restored to the previous version with all your data intact. If it's been more than 10 days, you'll need to reinstall Windows 10 manually. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, completely free without data loss. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Yogi PC Tube for more powerful tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.